Hi guys! Do you know what is a digital twin? Let's understand it in just 2 minutes. Welcome to Wynxio IT training. We give IT training around the world. A digital twin is simply a virtual copy of a real-world object, process, or system. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a car, a building, or even an entire city. Digital twin is a 3D digital version created using real-time data from sensors, IoT devices, and software models. This twin doesn't just look like the real thing, it also behaves like it because it's constantly updated with live data. For example, in manufacturing, companies create digital twins of machines to monitor performance, predict failures, and reduce downtime. In healthcare, doctors can have a digital twin of a human heart to test treatments before applying them to the real patient. In smart cities, digital twins help manage traffic, energy, and infrastructure more efficiently. Why does it matter? Save cost by predicting problems before they happen. Improves efficiency by testing changes virtually first. Reduce risk by simulating real-world scenarios safely. In short, a digital twin is a bridge between the physical and a digital world. So, whenever you hear about digital twins, remember, it's a virtual version of something real, designed to help us monitor, predict, and improve. This is Wynxio IT training. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick IT explainers.